Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see exclusive turning handloom soft silk sarees. All these sarees are beautiful designs, a very hit design in our collection. So we have restocked a new set of collections in this video. We have around 6 different colors in this video, so we are going to see all these color combinations. So please don't skip this video, watch this video fully for all the color combinations. Before that, if you're first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. Also, we are uploading fresh collections daily in our YouTube channel. So please do check our YouTube channel for more collections and exclusive designs. All these are handloom sarees. Purely handloom made, our own manufacturing sarees, freshly stocked from our loom. So we have 6 different colors. We'll see each sarees. So all these are turning designs. This is the first saree, a beautiful peacock blue with a navy blue combination. A rich pallu in navy blue, and all over the saree you have a peacock blue with a small motifs in gold and silver zari. You have a big turning design at bottom of the saree, followed by a zari border on both sides. You'll get a plain contrast blouse. So this is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the turning design comes all over the saree. A rich turning design which has a meena work in it. A very beautiful design. And next is a dark brown with navy blue combination. It's a kind of maroon and a brown mix. So as you can see, the small puttas are woven both in gold and silver zari. This is the back side of the saree. So you have both sides a tissue border. So all these sarees are double warp sarees, premium quality silk, comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. So if you want to book any of these collections, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. And next is a beautiful pink with violet combination. A very hit design in our collection, so please don't miss these colors. Do book the saree if you want to book any of these colors. All these sarees comes with the central government SILKMARK certified for the purity of original silk. So next is a beautiful blue with a violet combination. All are dual shade colors, so it gives shine on the saree when you wear it. This is the full saree. So you can book it from anywhere. People who are watching this video, you can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over India and we do have international shipping as well. Also, you will get this saree in hand very quick, the right away when you book it, because we are dispatching on the same day the payment is made. So you'll get it in a maximum of 3 working days anywhere in India and a maximum of week time for the international delivery. And next is an orange with red yellow with red combination. A golden yellow shade with a red combination, a very beautiful color combination. And next is a royal blue with violet combination. So all are very bright color combinations, so please don't miss these collections. So wholesalers and resellers, those who are watching this video, we do have reselling facilities, so you can contact us. Hope you like these collections. Please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.